Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x plus 1 divided by x2 plus 2x times dx. Okay? This integral you can solve it using the substitution rule. That is, if you define x2 plus 2x as u, if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you will get derivative of x2 is 2x, derivative of 2x is 2, dx equal to du. Okay, here I have x plus 1 times dx. So what I do here, I factor out the coefficient 2, that will be 2 times x plus 1 dx will be equal to du. In other words, x plus 1 dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, so all I need to do at this stage is to substitute these two expressions into this integral, and if I do that, that integral, instead of x plus 1 dx, I simply write 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, because here x plus 1 dx is 1 divided by 2 du, divided by, instead of x2 plus 2x, I simply write u. Okay, divided by u. This will be equal to the 1 divided by 2 is constant, so I can take it out of the integral. That will be 1 divided by 2 times du divided by u. And integral of du divided by u, we know it is equal to ln u plus c, that is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u by the definition of u, which is x2 plus 2x. So therefore this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times ln, instead of u I write x2 plus 2x plus c, that's the constant of the integral. And this is the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.